Building digital experiences should be fast, collaborative, and adaptable. That's where Builder.io comes in. It's a visual development platform designed to help teams create, test, and optimize websites and applications without the slow cycles of traditional workflows. Instead of waiting weeks for updates, Builder.io allows changes in days or even hours because it integrates directly with your existing tech stack, whether you're using React, Vue, Angular, or a custom framework. It doesn't force you to replace tools. It enhances them, meaning designers, marketers, and developers can finally work side by side without friction. One of its biggest advantages is the drag-and-drop editor. It feels familiar, like design software, but under the hood, it generates clean code and plugs right into your system. Marketers can publish or run A/B tests without waiting for development cycles, freeing engineers to focus on more complex technical work instead of small content changes. Builder.io also makes personalization easy. You can tailor experiences based on user behavior, geography, or data from your APIs and CMS, helping create content that feels relevant without rebuilding entire pages. At the same time, it doubles as a headless CMS, giving you structured content management with the flexibility to present it however you like, which keeps teams consistent but not locked into rigid templates. For larger organizations, Builder.io supports advanced workflows, role permissions, and versioning. That means nothing goes live without proper review, but creativity isn't slowed down. This balance makes it possible to experiment more often, since teams can quickly adjust designs, test ideas, and measure results without waiting on long approval chains. Whether you're a startup trying to scale faster or an enterprise looking to modernize, Builder.io creates a bridge between creativity and structure. It brings the freedom of visual building while respecting the needs of developers, ultimately giving teams the confidence to move faster and build better digital experiences together.